As the seasons change, time can be unkind to crawlspace doors. Wood crawlspace doors warp from weather conditions, rot due to moisture, and leak due to an improper seal. These wood doors ultimately allow both pests and water into the crawlspace. A leaky crawlspace door will also allow humid outside air into the home, which promotes mold and mildew. Introducing the all-season, all-secured, all-sealed tight, all-weather crawlspace door. This durable door is inorganic, waterproof, mold-resistant, and will not deteriorate over time. Simple to install, we include fasteners to mount the door to any substrate, including wood, brick, stone, and stucco. Door can be sized to fit most openings and cuts easily with standard woodworking tools. Give your customers peace of mind with a tightly sealed, all-weather door that stops the intrusion of insects, pests, outside air, and water, while leaving them with a safer and more energy-efficient crawlspace. Visit www.nashdistribution.com today.